Good morning, students. Today we are going to read English 1 of class 4, chapter number 13, Adverbs. So, today we'll read using ly and types of adverbs. An adverb describes an action verb. Adverbs are words that describe or modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. Okay. It can describe how an action happens, when an action happens, or where an action happens. मतलब it can describe how an action happened. तो action कैसे हुआ था, कब हुआ था, when an action happened कब हुआ था, और where माने किस जगह पे हुआ था. Okay. सो आस्किंग दिस क्वेश्चन टू द वर्ब हेल्प्स रिकॉग्नाइज एन एडवर्ब. तो हेल्प करता है कैसे हम एडवर्ब को पहचान सकते हैं. ओके. यूजिंग एल वाई. सम एडवर्ब्स लुक लाइक एडजेक्टिव्स. तो एल वाई हम कैसे यहाँ पर यूज़ करेंगे. सम एडवर्ब्स लुक लाइक एडजेक्टिव्स. टू मॉडिफाई एन एडजेक्टिव इनटू एन एडवर्ब, the ly is used as a suffix. It adds meaning to verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. We can make adverbs from adjectives by adding ILY to the adjectives. Examples: she walks slowly, the team performed badly. So in the first sentence, slowly adds more meaning to the verb walk. So it is an adverb. Slowly जो है कैसे कैसे कर रहा है, स्लोली कर रहा है. सो ये ज़्यादा मीनिंग उसमें डाल रहा है वर्क के लिए. सो स्लोली इज़ एन एडवर्ब. In the second sentence, badly adds more meaning to the verb perform. So it is an adverb. Okay, some commonly used adverbs with the ly suffix are listed below. Like you see, slowly, gladly, highly, successfully, thankfully, rudely, happily, easily, nervously, strictly, recently, lazily, bluntly, eagerly, quietly, impatiently, busily, supposedly, wickedly, honestly, suddenly, immediately, pensively, shortly, clearly, probably, finally, smartly, foolishly, carefully, sadly, smoothly, patiently, firmly, nicely. Okay, these are the adverbs with ly. Okay. Now, types of adverbs. Adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of frequency, adverb of degree. So, firstly, we will read adverbs of manner. So, adverbs of manner tell how something happens. कैसे वो चीज़ हुआ. They are usually placed after the main subject or verb. तो मेन सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब के बाद में ही इसे लगाया जाता है. लाइक यू सी, ही एट द केक ग्रीडीली. सो हाउ डिड ही ईट द केक. कैसे, यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन हम पूछ सकते हैं ना. हाउ डिड ही ईट द केक. ही ईट द केक ग्रीडीली. ओके. सो हियर ग्रीडीली इज द एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर. शी स्पीक्स सॉफ्टली. हाउ डज शी स्पीक. softly. So, however, at times this adverb may also be placed before a verb to add emphasis. Okay. Like you see, he gently picked the sleeping baby in his arm. So, before also we can adverb may also be placed before a verb. Verb के आगे भी हम इसे लगा सकते हैं. Gently, here gently is the adverb of manner and picked after the before the verb we can put. Adverb of time tell when an action happened, कब action हुआ था, and also for how long and often how, कैसे कितना देर तक गया था. Example, I am going to tidy my room tomorrow. तो इसका मतलब है मैं अपना रूम मैं अपना रूम साफ करूँगा कल. So when will I tidy my room? Tomorrow. So adverb of time is tomorrow here. My mother stayed in Italy for a year. So how long did my mother stay in Italy? For a year. So this is adverb of time here. Adverb of place tell where something has happened. कब कहाँ पर हुआ था ये चीज़. ओके. They built a house nearby. So built is here main verb or subject here. So where did they build the house? Nearby, मतलब पास में. Nearby का मतलब होता है पास में. Okay. I searched everywhere. Where did I search? Everywhere. Okay. Now adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency are adverbs of time that answer the question how frequently or how often. कैसे ये हुआ था. Okay. Always, usually, regularly, normally, often, sometimes, occasionally, rarely, seldom and never are some commonly used adverbs of frequency. Okay, ये सब adverb of हम इसको ज़्यादातर ये सब वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं adverb of frequency में. These adverbs can be positioned either at the beginning or at the end of the sentence. Starting में भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं या फिर लास्ट में भी. She reads occasionally. How frequently does she read? Occasionally. ठीक है. So Peter never gets angry. How frequently does Peter get angry? कभी नहीं. Never. Okay. Now adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree tell about the intensity or degree of an action, of an adjective or another adverb. तो एडवर्ब्स ऑफ डिग्री हमें क्या बता रहा है? टेल अस अबाउट द इंटेंसिटी और डिग्री ऑफ एन एक्शन of an adjectives. Like example, some common adverbs of degree are almost, quite, just, too, enough, hardly, scarcely, very and extremely. So adverbs of degree are usually placed before the adjective or adverb. They modify or before the main verb. Adverb of degree हम कभी लगाते हैं, they are usually placed before adjective से पहले या पहले लगाया जाता है और एडवर्ब से पहले. दे मॉडिफाई और बिफोर द मेन वर्ब के पहले. एग्जाम्पल, द मिल्क इज एक्सट्रीमली हॉट. नॉट द मिल्क इज हॉट एक्सट्रीमली. ही इज जस्ट लिविंग. नॉट ही इज लिविंग जस्ट. Understood, students? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.